Motorola has finally unveiled its premium flagship phone dubbed the Motorola Signature, which was earlier expected to carry the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra. It will be available in Pantone shades like Carbon and Martini Olive. The Motorola Signature features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus resolution, up to 6,200 nits peak brightness, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. It gets a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP Sony Lisha 828 sensor with OIS, 50MP ultra-wide camera with a 122-degree FOV, a 50MP Sony Lisha 600 periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom support, a 50MP Sony Lisha 500 sensor for selfies. The Signature is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 SoC, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. The phone runs Android 16 and comes with several Moto AI features. Motorola promises 7 years of OS and security updates. It packs a 5,200 mAh silicon carbon battery with 90W wired and 50W wireless charging support. There's also support for 10W wireless reverse charging and 5W wired reverse charging. The Motorola Signature is heading to Europe with a price tag of €999. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.